Hi, my name is Tannis Johnson, and I'm the Director of Student Services here at Altrain Medical and Dental Assisting Academy since 2012. Fun little fact, I myself attended Altrain for my education. I picked Altrain as I was extremely impressed that everything was included in the tuition. As I was starting over in life and going back to school, I was confident in my pick at Altrain because of the services offered, such as job placement, free refreshers, and exam preparation. Although I never entered the field as a dental assistant, I jumped at the opportunity to help others along their journey at Altrain, as I felt as I could relate to the student and help them through their job search. My primary role here at Altrain is job placement services. Job placement services include a resume package, which includes a customized resume, cover letter, and reference page tailored specific just for you. You receive this resume package during the 3-hour job placement presentation to prepare you to enter the workforce. During this presentation, I go over how to apply to jobs online, the do's and don'ts of the interview process, and how to answer those tough interview questions. If you sign up for our externship program, I will also set up the office for you to complete your externship at, so that it takes the worry and stress away from you. We also offer direct placement leads, which is where offices contact us directly because they want to hire Altrain graduates. While I enjoy meeting and getting to know a student throughout their journey during school, my favorite part is when they get a job. To watch someone step out, try something new, and accomplish their goals is a privilege to be a part of. You'll often hear me shouting throughout the school that the student got a job so that we can all celebrate in their success. To top it off, you may contact us anytime throughout your career as we offer lifetime job placement assistance. What an amazing feeling to know that should you need anything in the future, you can always reach out to us even after completing the program. I love my job and I really enjoy helping the students. Our successful job placement numbers and outstanding online reviews speak volumes to the services we provide. When you attend Altrain, your family, and we will be here for you forever. See you soon!